Hi, let us start today's class. Chlamydial conjunctivitis. Like bacterial conjunctivitis, chlamydial conjunctivitis also has two parts. This is part 1. Let's see what is chlamydial conjunctivitis. Chlamydia is an organism. It lies midway between bacteria and viruses, sharing some of the properties of both. Like viruses, they are obligate intracellular and filtrable, whereas like bacteria, they contain both DNA and RNA. They divide by binary fission. The chlamydia combinedly form the PLT group, that is, Chlamydia pictacosis, Chlamydia lymphogranuloma venereum, and Chlamydia trichomatis group. Life cycle of chlamydia. The infective particle invades the cytoplasm of epithelial cells, where it swells up and forms the initial body. The initial bodies rapidly divide into elementary bodies embedded in glycogen matrix, which are liberated when the cells burst. Then the elementary bodies infect other cells, where the whole cycle is repeated. Trachoma. Trachoma, previously known as Egyptian ophthalmia. It is chronic keratoconjunctivitis. It primarily affects the superficial epithelium of conjunctiva and cornea simultaneously. It is characterized by a mixed follicular and papillary response of the conjunctival tissue. It is still one of the leading causes of preventable blindness in the world. The word trachoma comes from the Greek word for rough, which describes the surface appearance of the conjunctiva in chronic trachoma. Etiology of chlamydial conjunctivitis. A. Causative organism. Trachoma is caused by a Bedsonian organism, the Chlamydia trachomatis, belonging to the Pictacosis lymphogranuloma trachoma, that is PLT group. 11 serotypes of chlamydia have been identified using immunofluorescence techniques. Serotypes A, B, BA, and C are associated with hyperendemic trachoma, that is blinding trachoma. Serotypes D to K are associated with inclusion conjunctivitis, that is oculogenital chlamydial disease. Predisposing factors. These include age, sex, race, climate, socioeconomic status, and environmental factors. First one, age. The infection is usually contracted during infancy and early childhood. Otherwise, there is no age bar. Next is sex. As far as sex is concerned, that preponderance exists in females both in number and in severity of disease. Race. No race is immune to trachoma, but this disease is very common in Jews and comparatively less common among Negroes. Climate. Trachoma is more common in areas with dry and dusty weather. Next is socioeconomic status. The disease is more common in poor classes owing to unhygienic living conditions, overcrowding, unsanitary conditions, abundant fly population. Paucity of water, lack of material like separate towels and handkerchiefs, and lack of education and understanding about spread of contagious diseases. Environmental factors like exposure to dust, smoke, irritants, sunlight, etc. increase the risk of contracting disease. Therefore, outdoor workers are more affected in comparison to office workers. Next is source of infection. In trachoma endemic zones, the main source of infection is the conjunctival discharge of the affected person. Therefore, superimposed bacterial infection helps in the transmission of the disease by increasing the conjunctival secretions. Modes of infection. Infection may spread from eye to eye by any of the following modes. Direct spread of infection may occur through contact by airborne or waterborne modes. Vector transmission of trachoma is common through flies. Material transfer plays an important role in the spread of trachoma. Material transfer can occur through contaminated fingers of doctors, nurses, and contaminated tonometers. The sources of material transfer of infections are use of common towel, handkerchief, bedding, and surma rods. Prevalence of trachoma. Trachoma is a worldwide disease, but it is highly prevalent in North Africa, Middle East, and certain regions of Southeast Asia. It is believed to affect some 500 million people in the world. There are about 150 million cases with active trachoma and about 30 million having trichiasis, needing lid surgery. Trachoma is responsible for 50 to 20% of world's blindness, being second only to cataract. Thank you for listening. The first part is over, and this topic trachoma will be complete by the part 2.